Hello everyone, my name is Minu Kazi and I'm an electrical engineer. So I'm the owner of this channel. Nice to meet you guys. I think I've got only 100 subscribers, but yeah, it's a start. So, I'll be revamping my content from now. So it's going to be about stocks, right? And it's going to be specifically related to Pakistani Stock Exchange. You know, uh, stocks is the most lucrative asset than that one can own. Many people in Pakistan don't know about that. They don't have clarity. They don't know what's the starting point, right? And the general connotation of the word stocks is, misconceived in Pakistan. So, I'll be starting, and, my motto will be that I'm not going to tell you what you should buy, but I'm going to tell you how to buy. So that is my methodology, and that is what my content is going to cover. And subsequently, I'm going to shift all of this content to more social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, etc. If I see the need of it. But right now, it's going to be three apps: YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. So yeah, I'm going to be giving onboarding procedures, right? And I'm a beginner myself, and I just want to, I want some companions so that we can start our investing journey. And if you see in the past 15 years that which commodity has given the most profit, right? It's not real estate. It's not the dollar, and it's certainly not gold or silver, right? It's stocks. And considering the market of Pakistan, it is immensely undervalued, and people who have been investing for 10 to 15 years in PSX have gained very remarkable and many very sufficient returns for their capital. So, I want to build a channel. I want to build a team of people who, are intelligent investors and would, join me in this journey. So yeah, I'm going to be uploading some more content regarding stocks, and I hope that the audience likes it, and that's it. Yeah. So see you on my channel. Thank you.